Hi everyone, welcome to Technique Thursday. Today we're going to have some fun with gelatos, some clear gesso, and the Psalms journal. So I'll tell you what happened. I was debating and I started the journal one way. I shot a video, I decided I didn't like it. I started it in a hymnal, I decided I didn't like it. And what I really wanted to do was work in my Bible. So I went, why am I fighting this? A great friend of mine said, you need to pray about this because I've been struggling all day. So I've come up with an idea that I want to do it in my Bible, so that's what I'm going to do. I love what you ladies are doing in the group, so I thought I want to follow along. So today I have not prepped my page, but what I'm going to do is mix the gesso with the gelatos. Gelatos on plain paper will just sort of get into the grit of the paper and they won't move around with water. So what I'm going to do is take the gelato and put it on, this is just a little tile that I have from our kitchen. I've got some Art Basics clear gesso and I am going to just mix it into the paint. So just take a little bit on your brush, put it into the gelato, mush it around. If you need more, just grab some more, put it inside. This will lighten it or darken it. And then what happens is when you put this on your page, it's already coated, and if you've got water on it, your gelato is not going to move. No, because it's going to dry with this beautiful clear gesso on it. So I just wanted to do like a quick little background for my elements. And a lot of shadows today. I apologize, actually I'm shooting this video at night. So, I know, crazy. But I've been fussing with this journal most of the day. Gosh, I tell ya. And you should just go with the flow. Should never do things that you don't want to do or feel you have to do it one way. I always feel pressure to, you know, do the latest, greatest techniques and something new and exciting every month. And what I need to do is just relax and enjoy the process is what I tell you guys all the time. So that's what I need to do myself, is just relax and have fun. So I'm going to just give the pink a dry, and then I'm going to do a little bit of yellow and then put some elements down. So what I love about this deconstructed journal idea that we're doing now, and actually we're going to be, we call it mini kits now. So they're not actual journals, but they're kits. So with the kits, you can do it in your Bible, in your planners, you can anywhere, journals, books, hymnals. I really wanted to do it in my hymnal as well. So just gonna put some of the gesso right into here. Make a nice paste, and as you see, it's not going on to the other side. So I just want to do some nice marbling in here. Just add a little bit of color into the page. No specific right or wrong, just having some fun and relaxing. Because that's what it's all about, right? It's all about spending time with God, and I tell you guys this all the time, just relax and have fun and spend your time with the Lord. So I'm taking my own advice, ladies. This is fun. I like mixing kind of the pink into the yellow. I really like that. It's kind of making a really cool color. So a little bit of pink, a little bit of yellow. You know, you got to use that up, right? So let's get it all over the page. Clean off my brush. I'll go wash that later. Clean off my little tile here. Give it a quick dry, and then we're going to be good to go. Should cover this up, right? Of course I should, because I tend to spill things. So let's get out the heat tool. And this page is actually the page after the verse, but what I wanted to work in my Thrive Bible, because I do have some room over here in the Psalms, so I want to, you know, do some good stuff. Fill up this Bible. It's got lots of stuff going on, so there we go, nice and dry. So as you can see, the background is just marbled and pretty basic. These are the splashes that came with the Elements kit. So I want to use some of those. What I did is I did my journaling right on the splash in my not photo editing, my PDF editor. And so I wanted to, this is how I want to do my little bit of journaling. So I kiss cut this, I cut it off of another sticker sheet. So I want to start with my journaling because that is important to me. And then I pulled out some elements, and of course I want to use the scripture. So we'll put that there, and then, oh gosh, I love the word art. Oh, I'm loving word art because I think it just goes so perfect in a Bible. And a little flower. I didn't pick out many elements, but I just wanted some, I kind of wanted to use one of everything. I love these little stamps and a heart. And just make a little cluster. And we love this verse, so I'm going to pop that in there as well. And a big arrow. And just a little remember. So that's, I think, what I'm going to do. Now, I could add some of these splashes in, and I printed them on clear paper, so it would kind of be fun to put a couple of these in. So maybe I'll just grab a couple of little ones here and put them on top of my paint just to add a little splash and dash in here. Grab a little yellow one. That's if it's going to come off my sheet. Hank, he wasn't doing good today, I tell you. He was being fussy with cutting. So, okay, I'm going to forgive him for this. So there, put that on. Just a little extra something. So we can move that to the side. My tag, I printed out as well. So we'll put our tag right here. And this one is on Psalm 30-2. Lord my God, I called to you for help, and you healed me. Now, I do believe that the Lord heals us in ways that we don't understand. When I got sick with my vestibular condition with the dizzies, I thought, oh gosh, I can't work anymore. I was at a job I loved, and I finally got to a place where I wanted to be, and then I had to give it up, and it was, I couldn't understand why. And then look what happened. Praise and pray happened, ladies. Without me getting sick, I never would have started a journal. I never would have started a shop or the group. And at the time, I thought, gosh, what am I going to do? I thought I was being so helpful. I was working with seniors with Alzheimer's and dementia. It's what I wanted to do. It's where I wanted to be. And then I felt it all got taken away from me. And then one night going, oh my gosh, I want to do a journal. And I told Hubs this, and he's like, well, then let's do a journal. He's so supportive. And the Lord healed my life. He brought me closer to Him. He brought me all of you. At the time, I couldn't see that. But of course, I can see it now, and it's such a blessing in my life to get to be at home and do all these things. And I work with Hubs as well in our business. But praise and pray is a big part of my everyday. Every day I get to spend with the Lord. And as we create, we spend time with the Lord. And it's just such a beautiful thing. So I am healed. I'm not healed from my vestibular issues. I'm going to have to deal with that the rest of my life. We're trying to make it manageable. But what it's brought me is closer to Him. It's brought me great friends that are Christians. It has brought so much joy into my life. So embrace what happens. We may not know the answers, but we will get to know God. That's a guarantee. So this is quick. This, to me, this took less time than doing a journal page. So this is fun. I'm liking this. I'm so silly, aren't I? Put another splotch over there. I think I need one splotch up in this little corner. Let's see if we can get a little yellow one up there. So yeah, I've come to some realizations today about how I want to work and what I want to do, and I'm really liking this working right here in the Bible. And with the journals, we never got a chance to do that. But, you know, I'm watching everybody work in their Bibles now, and I'm like, oh, this is just so awesome. I'm just going to highlight this and do a little zigzags on a few things just to pretty them up. And there we have it. We are done. So 2 gelatos, banana, and I think this is watermelon. Got those on sale at Michael's one day. They had all individual gelatos. I was so excited. I told my sister I got to run to the car. I got my book, I was picking colors, and I got a bunch of new little gelatos, so that's fun. So I think each page too, with doing it this way, one page I can do with gelatos, one page I can do with paint, one, you know, I can change it up. Whereas when I did the journal, I always felt I had to do everything the same on each page throughout the whole month. This way, I can just create every page different, mixed media, soft colors, maybe nothing in the background. So I'm excited. It's like a new adventure for me. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I want to see what you guys are doing in your journals. So share, and show me what you're doing with the Celebrate journal. Everybody got one in the group for our big second birthday. We gave everyone a free journal. So if you are part of Praise and Pray, make sure you get your journal. If you want to come and join us, please do. The link will be in the description. Subscribe to the channel. We've got some freebies that I give away on YouTube, freebies in our group. And wow, it's just, I feel today's a very special day. I've grown as an artist. I've grown as a person and as a child of God. So thank you all again. Blessings to you all. I will see you guys in Praise and Pray. Bye for now. God bless.